welcome back to my channel. For today, I am going to be setting up for Christmas. I've got my hot cocoa in my Mickey mug. There may or may not be some cherry brandy in here. It's actually delicious, and I got the recipe from the Jingle Bam party. So I already have one tree up, which is not decorated yet, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm in overwhelm mode right now. So I'm gonna take you guys into our storage room and show you what I promised that I would show you. All of the boxes, all of the storage for Christmas, how I keep everything organized as much as I possibly can. I shared a little bit of it on IGTV today. So I took out a couple of bins, and then this is like wrapping and stuff like that that's gonna have to go back in there until I'm ready to wrap. And then this is gonna be for a Home Goods Marshalls haul. I got so much stuff yesterday at Marshalls. So this is the underneath of our stairs storage, which to me is not very exciting, but this is where I store most of our stuff. And I put this away like a freaking champ last year. So I have a couple of like random things on the side here. Like I have my easel, which I don't really use. Now that I'm realizing this could probably go out. And I have a bunch of canvases because I paint. I like to paint. And then I have this like prop thing. Yeah, there's some stuff that could get thrown out. Like let's start by doing that. So we're gonna clean out the storage area. I already cleaned out our like storage furnace room the other day, and I did such a deep clean of that. I feel like I should have done it on camera, but I can't even tell you how good it felt. I love our house, but there was one thing that I would change is the amount of storage space. Like, we have a basement, we're in Canada. Where's all the storage? Especially for a girl that has so many decorations, but I crushed it in this room the other day. So I've got like this really bright light in here so I can see everything. There's nothing worse than a storage room where you can't see anything. So see back here, you can see how like we're under the stairs right now. I keep all of the trees pushed into there, and then I have all of these like stackable bins. I love these bins. So these bins have like a flap top, so the lid is attached to it. This is my beautiful Disney tree. You guys always ask about this. So my mom got me this. I'll link this as well as anything else that I talk about down below or on my like to know it. This is also on my Amazon favorites page. So like if ever I'm talking about something and you're like, where do I get that? Always check the link below on my like to know it because it's probably in there. So see, I have like a bunch of wrapping and stuff that I don't really need right now. And I have my village houses, I guess you would say. My Mickey topiaries are back there, my Mickey lamp. You guys, there's a lot to do today. I'm gonna take you into the storage room back here. So this is like the way that we usually come in. This is our furnace room back here. Let's turn on the light. So in here, I have an IKEA, I think it's called a Kallax, and I put like a bunch of, you guys look at, I just flipped the light off. Oh my gosh. Design flaw. Okay, I feel like I'm missing a light in here right now. Just as I said, there's nothing, did I not just say there's nothing worse than a dark storage room? I'm definitely missing a light. Like there's a light that's burned out in here. Oh well. So this is how I organized this room. I don't know if you can see. Oh my gosh, the lighting right now is terrible. So can you guys see how I like labeled everything? So this one says wrapping, paint, crafts, all of that stuff. So these are empty. Like most of these are empty right now. Like there's nothing in there. Oh, giveaway stuff. These are all the things that I send. Whenever we do giveaways, I send all the extras, all my extra beauty products to you guys. And then I've got a bunch of paints up there. And then in here, I have the extra bins. So these are just like empty bins, storage bins, a couple extra Christmas bins. So this is our storage room. Like, there's not much I can do with it, you guys, because there's all these pipings and stuff. So the best that I could do was this Kallax thing, this IKEA thing, but look at how it like just fit. Whenever I was building this, I was like, oh, you better fit, buddy. So this is a storage room. I'm gonna grab some stuff from here. Most of the stuff in here is from Halloween this year. I needed 6 bins for Halloween. I went from one little box like this for Halloween to 6 freaking boxes. I don't even know. All right, so let's start this. I'm gonna take everything upstairs. You guys are gonna come with. It'll be interesting. Let's get into this.
Last year I thought about how things can come around and it is cold outside. We gather around the fireplace, and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down.
All right, we've already made so much progress. So this is what it looks like at the bottom of everything. In here I have all of my sticks and stuff that go into the big candy cane tree. In here I have all the sticks and stuff that go into the big white tree. This is a tree under here in this box. So this is like my country Christmas tree that's in here. I got this one at Michael's. And then under here is my big white tree. So you can see like I really pushed a lot of stuff in. Like I'm surprised that I was able to do this, but practical. And then all of my village pieces are in here. So we're just gonna finish up bringing up the rest of the stuff.
Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace, and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day.
Okay, that was a workout and a half. I am so winded. Andre helped me so much though. I don't know how I would have done that alone. I needed water in my little guppy. You guys, I discovered that the light out of his mouth shines like a projection. That's what shines out of his mouth. Season's greetings. Isn't that cool? All right, now on to more important things. This is what the room looks like under the stairs whenever it's all cleaned out. And I actually ended up throwing out a couple things that didn't need to be in here. Like I said, like the easel and stuff like that did not need to be in here. So we got rid of that. The mannequin and stuff like that is all gonna go out. So that'll give a little bit more room. So all that's left now to bring upstairs is basically our gift boxes. So I usually buy a bunch of gift boxes. Some years there's some left over, and a lot of them are stored within each other. Another time and space saving tip. And is there anything in this village piece? No, this is empty. But I keep all of the Limax boxes, just now I do, because they always seem to break. I don't know why. So it's kind of frustrating. Every single year I end up taking them out and one doesn't work. So it'll be interesting when this one comes out. So all I have to do now is bring up the ladder, a couple little pieces. Everything is upstairs. I will say I feel so much better now that everything is out and upstairs. I think that was the overwhelming part, is like no understanding of how much stuff I had and what I had to bring up. So Andre helped me a ton with that. The tree is super heavy. It's like a 3-piece tree, and that's what I'm gonna tackle first. I'm gonna do a fully updated Candyland Christmas tree video because I had done my first one like when I very first started this channel, and it's one of the most popular videos on this channel, but I feel like it's so dated. And Carl's trying to, what do you want? You wanna go outside? You wanna be a part of it all, right? as soon as the camera turns on. Today, whenever we filmed we did like an Angie Bellemare vlogs on my other Instagram page. So if you aren't following on there, go do it because it's all the behind the scenes and Carl was acting a complete fool. He's ridiculous. All right, I think I'm gonna go have my hot chocolate. Once my body temperature calms down, I'm gonna put on a Christmas movie. I'm thinking of either watching Love Actually or... Seriously? He's growling at me. Or Why Him? Hilarious. I love that. That's one of the most underrated Christmas movies. Also, my bra is falling off. I really worked up a sweat. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm literally ending this video and I'm gonna continue filming because I know you guys wanna see the entire decorating process. So I'm just like basically never gonna turn off the camera this month. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys very, very soon, probably tomorrow. Bye dudes.
Last year I thought